chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose.
Hi guys, it's me, Kelia. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. Merry Christmas. Here we are at the end of 2022. Can you believe it? This year has come and gone. However, thank God that we are still here. So I am so grateful to be able to share another video with you all. As you all know, this is my favorite time of the year. This is probably the only time you have been seeing me lately, especially on my YouTube channel. I hope to be able to do a little bit more, but you know, it just really depends if I have something to record or not. And lately I just have not. So this is like my only time I get to decorate and be able to record and share. But I am so grateful to be able to get this video together. If you are watching live, thank you so much. Thank you for watching the premiere. It has been a push, it's been a struggle, only if you knew what it is taking to get this video done and out. However, it's done. You're here, I'm here, and you're finally watching. So I am so happy about that. So thank you again for your support. Please chat with me in the comments. I would like to just talk with you and hear what you think about this year's decor. As you guys know, I usually do themes for my home decor. This year I want to just do something a little whimsical, but still almost like nature inspired, but elegant. I don't know, but it's just kind of like what I wanted to create, and I think it all came together. I actually called this year's theme Majestic Garden, and I hope you'll be able to see why I came up with that name, because I just, like I said, I wanted to feel kind of like nature inspired, but whimsical, dreamy, elegant, all of that put together, and I think it came together nicely. One thing that I did a little bit different this year that I have been doing in the previous years, I only did one tree. Now, if you've been watching my Christmas videos for a while, you know I usually have at least two, no more than three trees in my home. But this year was my first time using my 12-foot tree, and so I just wanted to just let that be the focus. And honestly, that tree is enough all by itself. Doesn't need any other trees to compete with it. So that 12-foot tree was it for me, and I just added some decor to just kind of accentuate the look and the theme that I was going for. So it all came together. I really think it's beautiful, so I hope you really enjoy it and get the gist of why I named it Majestic Garden. So anyway, guys, again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support if you're watching live. Thank you if you're watching the replay. Thank you. And as I said, leave a comment. I'll be sure to respond to you. Hopefully I'll do a little bit better on my channel. I actually miss making YouTube videos. I do. Just don't have a whole lot of content. So that makes it hard if I'm not really, you know, decorating or doing anything. I would just say worth recording and going through all the work creating a video for you guys to watch, because putting together these videos takes time and it's work. And so if I don't have really anything that I feel that's worth sharing, it's kind of crickets over here on my channel, unfortunately. But we'll see what next year holds. So I'm going to try to do better, because I miss my you know, just everyone that I connected with and all of my viewers, and how we used to, you know, just stay in touch. And I miss that part of my channel. So hopefully I'll be able to get it back up. But if you are not following me on my social media platform, on Instagram and Facebook, please do so. I'll leave those links in my description box. So I'm not going to prolong this video anymore, because I've been trying to get this video out for a while. And if you're watching it live, it's Christmas Eve. So I'm going to go ahead and get this video out to you so you can see my home decor for this year. Again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Chit chat with me in the comments below, and I appreciate you. Happy New Year as well, because you're not going to see me anymore this year. I already know that. So Happy New Year as well, and hopefully I'll see you very soon within the new year. So you have a blessed and prosperous year, and enjoy the video. Merry Christmas.